In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix voicemail missing after iOS update. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when an iOS update hides or breaks your voicemail layout, it's usually caused by a redesigned interface setting, or a glitch, or a data that needs a quick refresh. So, open up your native phone application, and then if you don't see voicemail on the bottom right, so for example, I have these current tabs right now, and my voicemail is on the bottom right. But if you don't see that on the top right, you might see three little lines. And if you see them, go ahead and see if there's voicemail over there. And then you can just click voicemail from that section. What you could also do is go ahead and open up your settings. And then go ahead and scroll down over to general. Then once you're in general, go ahead and tap about. Now wait on this screen for about 15 seconds. If your network has dropped, a matching profile link update and automated prompt will pop up on your screen stating carrier settings update, and then all you gotta do is just tap update. Now, the final thing you could do is go back and then go ahead and scroll down while you're in general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, click reset, and then reset all network settings. Once you do that, you're gonna have to reconnect to internet and everything again, but go back to the phone app and then voicemail should be there.